Given today's world and the Gen Z, there are a lot of cases of infidelity happening, right? So if I have a partner who has completely and clearly communicated that in his previous or her previous relationships, they've had a history of infidelity, how do, in my current relationship, without any such thing happening with me, do I actually begin to trust him or her?
First of all, I would like to bring light on the word you used, fidelity. For the longest time, we relate fidelity to the physical aspect of it, the sexual aspect of it. Nobody talks about emotional fidelity. Since your question is around the infidelity around the physical sexual context, if there is a pattern, if it's happened multiple times, तो आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि आपके साथ नहीं होगा? There is no way to ascertain that this will not happen to you. In that moment, when you're in love with a person, it's hard to believe otherwise. It naturally comes to you that I'm special, this is special, and he or she might have done it before, but they'll not do it with me. There is no way to guarantee that. But I'm not saying that break your relationship immediately. What I'm saying is open your eyes, think thoroughly before going ahead. Seek counseling, seek help. Probably with a counselor, you both can find out why there has been a pattern of cheating, infidelity, and probably that can be attended to. Another thing to keep in mind here, Shraddha, is that while it's very important for me, the sexual fidelity part, it may not be important or non-negotiable for everyone. For me, fidelity is not just sexual, but it's also emotional, it's also psychological. But then again, the common connotation of fidelity that is taken by the society today, it may not be very important, significant, and can be totally negotiable for some people. So we have seen relationships that have gone ahead with issues such as this. So it's a personal choice.
Right.